I'm Ruben Diaz with your ABC 24 News update. Reactions are still coming in after a federal judge temporarily blocked Tennessee's takeover of Memphis-Shelby County schools. This is happening as the state-appointed oversight board was set to begin work this week. Both sides claim this legal battle is far from over as the case moves forward. ABC 24's Lauren Turman has reaction from both sides of this fight.
I consider it a victory for the board because we fought hard.
Memphis-Shelby County Schools board member Tawana Murphy reflecting on what she calls a win for the Board of Education after a federal judge in Nashville temporarily blocked the state's oversight of the district.
At the end of the day, you have to let the board do their jobs, which is to govern this district. You may not like a lot of things that we do. You may not like a lot of things that we say. But that's our elected duty. That is our job.
Judge Waverly Crenshaw issued an order to maintain the status quo, preventing the newly established Board of Managers from taking control for now. Attorneys on both sides have been ordered to meet before July 6, but Representative Mark White, who sponsored the legislation creating the Oversight Board, says the ruling probably won't stop the process for long.
We're going to move forward. This is a temporary restraining order. I think the judge went ahead and signed but it's only holds for 10 days. The Attorney General's office, of course, they represent anything that we do pass in the state as far as legislation.
He adds that this board needs to be a firm hand in improving the system.
We got to pretty soon get down to, how is our curriculum, our academics. We got to make sure that our students starting to perform better.
The Oversight Board was scheduled to meet Wednesday afternoon, but that meeting was canceled. Shelby County government and the MSCS board are also challenging the law, arguing the state board would dismantle the district's elected governance. While some lawmakers expect the legal fight to continue, school board members hope this is the first step towards stopping the takeover altogether. Still, both sides agree on one thing.
We want to continue to keep our heads down and keep working for the betterment of our children.
And we need to all get together, the elected school board and the board of managers. We all need to get together with best minds, and let's make sure we improve the system for our community.
All right, that was Lauren Turman reporting. Next week, a full forensic audit of Memphis-Shelby County Schools is expected to be released in Nashville. Supporters believe that will strengthen the case for that oversight board, and depending on the results of the court case, the 9-member board would have the power to approve or reject the district's budget. They could also override decisions made by the elected school board. They could also approve large contracts and even hire or fire the superintendent. All right, that's your ABC 24 News update for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Ruben Diaz.